subtraction with borrowing for 4-digit numbers. Now we are going to learn about how to borrowing in 4-digit numerals. For example, 4968, 7873. It is given. So first we have to take a bigger number first. 7000 is greater than 4000. It means 7873 is bigger than 4968. First we have to write this number 7873. Then after that 4968. Then minus. First, how to borrow? First we start from ones place. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So see, make a rough column here. In ones place 3 is there. 3 minus 8. 3 is less than 8. 3 is less than 8. 3 is less than 8. So we cannot make minus. So then what to do? We have to borrow from the next digit. Here how many tens are there? 7 tens are there. I want to take 110. I want to take 110. So here how many tens are there? 7 tens. If I want to take 110, here out of this 7 I am taking 110, so it decreases 1 and it makes 6. Out of 7 tens I want to take 110. I want to take 110. So here I want to take 110 here. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. If you add 1 10 times, it makes 110. Okay? Here, if I am taking 110 this side, so this will 10 ones. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, it will convert it into, already 3 ones are there. How many ones we are taking here? 1 tens we are taking, it means 10 ones we are taking. 10 plus already 3 ones are there. 10 plus 3, 13 ones. 13 ones. We are getting here 13 ones. 13 ones. Then 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 how much? 13 minus 8. Then how to calculate 13 minus 8? In the easiest and simple way. So remember how to calculate it. It is very easy. Here 8 is there now. You start your counting from 9. 9 to 30. Here 8 is there. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. How many? 5. So it means you have to write here 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. In this way you have to count and write. So next, here what is there? 6. 6 tens and 6. 6 minus 6. Same number minus itself. Same number minus itself. Just now we discussed in our third property. Same number minus itself, answer is 0. Then next 8. 8 and 9. 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. Then what we have to take? What we have to do? We have to borrow. How we have to borrow? Here I want to take 1000. 1000. Here 7000s are there. I want to take 1000. Means it decreases by 1. 1000. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds make 1000. 100 tens are 1 thing. 1000. So 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds, already here how many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. Then total 18 hundreds. 18 hundreds. Here we will get 18. In this way we are getting 18. Okay. Here how many thousands are there? 7 thousands are there. I want to take 1000. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds and here 8 hundreds. 10 plus 8, 18 hundreds we will get here. Then 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. How to minus? So 9 is there now. From 10 to 18 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total 9. So your answer is 9 here. Then 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, what is here? 4. Means 5 to 6 you have to count. 5, 6. How many? 2. It means 6 minus 4 is 2. So in this way we have to take borrow and we have to make minus. Okay. In example 2, subtract 4,379 from 8,785. 8,785, and also we have to check our answer. We have to check our answer. From means first we have to take this one. 8,785 minus 4,379. From this one is called minute. This is called subtrahend. The answer is called difference. The first one is called, the greater number is called minute. This is called subtrahend. This is called difference. This is called difference. Now in the rough form. This is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So we start from ones place. In ones place 5 and 9. It means 5 is less than 9. If 5 is less than 9, then we have to take borrow from the next place here. 110, I want to take 110. So here 7 tens left. Out of 8, 7 tens left. Here 110 we will get. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10. And how many ones are there here already? 5 ones. 10 plus 5, 15 ones. It makes 15 ones. Then 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is how much? So then how to count? 9 is there here. From 10 to 15 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here 6. How many? 6. Here same number minus same number. Same number minus same number. The number minus itself is 0. Here 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Then how to make minus 3? No. 4 to 7 you have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 4. Then 8 minus 4 means 5 to 8 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 4. It is 4. 4,406. So this is our answer. Then how to check? How to check our answer? So we have to add difference and subtrahend. Difference and subtrahend. Add 4406. This is difference. Next subtrahend 4379. This is subtrahend. Now add these two. If you add both, so we should get this one. So otherwise your answer is wrong. Then 9 plus 6 is 15. Then how to take 15? 5 ones and 1 tens. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 4, 8. 8,785. 8,785. Then we will get minute. So this is the method to check. So we have to add difference and subtrahend. So we should get minute. So if you get minute, then your answer is correct. Okay. Yes, now students, fill in the blanks. These blanks depends on the properties of subtraction properties. See here, any number minus 0 is number itself. So here we will get the same number, 7539. Any number minus 0 is equal to number itself is the answer. Here number minus dash is equal to number itself. It means here 0 should come. Any number minus 0 is equal to number itself. So like that you have to think and you have to write. You have to think and you have to write. Now find the difference. Here we have to find the difference of the given numbers. Here first bigger number 9304, next 4156. Then this is a rough column. Then how to make minus? This is ones place, here tens place, 100 place, here thousands place. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6, then we have to take borrow. So from where we have to take borrow? Here also 0 is there. It is better to take borrow from here to here and here to here. Here 3 is there. How many hundreds are there here? 3 hundreds are there. Take 100 to this place. So here out of 300, if we take 100, we will get 200. 2 hundreds. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 100 we are taking 10 tens. 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0 is 10 only here. You will get 10 only here. Then after that, from here 10 we are taking. Out of 10, 110 means 910 is left here. So then 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones, already 4 ones are there. 10 plus 4, 14 ones. Here we will get 14 ones. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. 6 no. 7 to 14 you have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 8. 9 minus 5. Here 5 is there. From 6 to 9 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Why? Because they are consecutive numbers, serial numbers. 9 minus 4 means 5 to 9 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total how many? 5. 5148 is your answer. Now here 7493, 2586. Now minus. Here also minus. Rough column. Here 3. 3 is less than 6. Take 110 from this side. 110 means 9 tens are there, 110 means 8 tens left. 110 is equal to 10 months. 10 months already here 3 months. 10 plus 3, 13 months. Here we will get 13 months. 13 minus 6 means 7 to 13 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, total 7. Total 7. 8 minus 8. Number minus itself. Number minus itself is 0. Now, here, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now, here in hundreds place, 4 is less than 5. Now you take borrow from here. 1000 we want to take borrow. 1000 is 6000 left. 1000. 1 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds. Already how many hundreds are there? 4. 10 plus 4, 14 hundreds we will get. 14 hundreds we will get. Then 14 minus 5 means 6 to 14 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 9. 6 minus 2. 2 is there, no? From 3 to 6 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 4. 4,907. In this way we have to do. Now find the difference between. First we have to take bigger number. Next smaller number. Here this is a rough column. 1 minus 8. Here 1 is less than 8. 1 is less than 8. Now you take borrow from here. This is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. You take 1000 from this. Total 8000s are there. 7000s will left. Then 1000 we will send here. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds we will get. From this 10 hundreds we want to take 100, means 900 left. 100 is equal to 10 tens. How many tens? 10 tens. 100 is equal to 10 tens. In these 10 tens I want to take 1 ten. Here 10, 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. Already how many ones are there? 10 plus 1, 11 ones. Here we will get 11 ones. 11 minus 8 means from 9 to 11 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 3. 9 minus 1 means from 2 to 9 we have to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. Total how many? 8. 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 is number itself, that is 9. 7 minus 2 means 3 to 7 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 5. These are answer. 5983. Now this one. First we have to take, so write your answer here. 5983. Now 4913, 3792 minus, then 3 minus 2. These are the two consecutive numbers. 3 is greater than 2, then 3 minus 2 is 1. Here 1 is less. 1 is less than 9. Then take borrow from here. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Take 100. So here 800 is left. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 10. Already how many tens are there? 1. 10 plus 1, 11 tens. How many tens we get? 11. 9, 11 means 10 to 11 you have to count. 10, 11, 2. 8 minus 7. These are the consecutive numbers. The difference is 1. 4 minus 3. They are the serial numbers. Difference is 1. 1121. 1121. This is your answer. Now in this, fill in the missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes are given. In these 4 boxes we have to find the missing numbers. Then how to find missing numbers first? See here, 1 minus 4. 1 is less than 4. 1 is less than 4. So we can't minus. So we take borrow from here. So 110 we take borrow. So out of 5 times, 110 means 4 tens left. Here 10 plus 1, 11 will come. 11 minus 4 means 5 to 11 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 7. Then 4 minus what is 1. Here subtrahend is not given. So just you minus it. 4 minus 1 is what? 4 minus 1, 3. Then write here 3. Then you will get the same answer. 4 minus 3 is 1. If subtrahend is not given, then minuend minus difference. You find minuend minus difference, then you will get subtrahend. Minuend minus difference. Here, minuend is not given, then you have to add these two. 5 plus 2, 7. Then you get 7 minus 5 is 2. Here, minuend, here what is not given, what's not given here? Subtrahend is not given. Then minus it. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. In this way you have to think and you have to write. So this question also same. Then how to find? Here 1 minus 5. So we can't minus this one. So take borrow from here. So it will get 11. 11 minus 5 means 6 to 11 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total 6. Then here this is a minuend. This is a minuend. How we will get minuend? Adding these two you will get minuend. 9 plus 6, 15. 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. Means here 5 should come. So not 5, 6. Because we are taking one out now. So now it is 5. Here from here borrowing it makes 15. It makes 15. Okay. Now here 1. 1 minus 8 is not possible. Again we have to take borrow from here. It will get 11. 11 minus what is 8. Then 11 minus 8, take 11 minus 8, 3. That is 11 minus 3 is 8. Now what should come here to get 3? Here 8. Borrowing then 7, it left 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. In this way you have to think and you have to write the missing numbers. So in word problems, so when we do minus, so when the question is given how many, what is the difference, how many left, then remaining things, in this way if he asks, then it means we have to do minus. We have to do minus. Okay, here of the 2,549 students in a school, 1,024 students play sports. So that many students play. So total students this many and this many students play sports. Then how many students not play means we have to minus. First you write total students. Total students. Total students in a school. How many students are there in a school? 2,549. Number of students play sports. Number of students play sports. How many students? 1,024. Then how many students will not play sports? Then minus. 9 minus 4. 9 is a bigger number, then we can minus. From 5 to 9 you have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 5. 4 minus 2 means 3 to 4 you have to count. 3, 4. How many? 2. 5 minus 0. Number minus 0. Number minus 0 is itself. That is 5. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means serial numbers. Answer is 1 only. 1,525. Number of students. Number of students do not play sports is equal to 1,525. This many students do not play sports. Okay. One more question is there, word problem. That word problem do by your own. So their solution is also there and try to yourself. Now solve the given problems. Some word problems are given. So we have to solve. How much is 2013 is greater than this? So means 2013, how much is greater than? So we have to do minus. Bigger number minus smaller number. 1849. Then 3 minus 9, it's not possible. Borrow 110. So here 110 is there, so that 110 we are borrowing, then nothing is left. 0. So 110 means 10 plus 3, 13 we will get. 13 minus 9, that means from 10 to 13 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Here 0 is there, here 0 is there. Take borrow from here, from thousands place. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Take borrow from 1000. So 2 thousands were there. So we are taking one borrow. So 1000 will left. 1000 makes 10 hundreds. From here again you take 100. Then 10 tens were left. 10 minus 4 means 6 to 10 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means 5 to 10 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 6. 9 minus 8. 9 and 8 are the consecutive numbers. So the difference is 1. So the difference is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write. No need to write. Therefore, difference 2013 is 164 greater than 1849. So this much greater than. 2013 is how much greater than? 164 more than. So next, how much is 3786 less than this? Less than that one. It means you have to minus from the bigger to smaller. 7015, 3786. Then this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. 5 is less than this 6. Then take 110 from here. Here only 110 is there. Out of this 110 we are taking 110. Here 0 tens will left. 110 and 5 ones. 10 plus 5, 15 will come. 6, 15 minus 6. It means from 7 to 15 you have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 9. Total 9. 0 minus 8. Not possible. You take borrow from here from thousands. 7 thousands are there. You take 1000. 6 thousands left. 1000 means 10 hundreds. From this 10 hundred, again you take 110. 9 tens left here. 10 tens makes 100. 10 minus 8. It means 9 to 10 you have to count. 9, 10. It is 2. 9 minus 7 means 8 to 9 you have to count. 8, 9, 2. 6 minus 3. 4 to 6 you have to count. 4, 5, 6. It is 3226. Here you write 3786 is 3229 less than 7015. 7015. This much less it is. Now, what must be added to 1000 to get this? Again, we have to subtract bigger number. 4785 and 1000. Minus 5 minus 0. Number minus 0 is itself. Number minus 0 is answer is itself. Number minus 0 is itself. 4 minus 1 means 2 to 4 we have to count. 2, 3, 4. It is 3. Therefore, what must, if we add 3785 to 1000, we will get 4785. This we will get. Okay. Now next question, what must be subtracted from this to get this one? It means again we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. 7, 8, 9. That means 7895 minus 3989. Then 5 minus 9 is not possible because 5 is a smaller number. Or from here, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. From tens place take 1 10, 8 tens left. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9 means 10 to 15 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 6. 8 minus 8. Same number minus itself, 0. 8 is less than 9. Again you take power from thousands. 1000 means 6 thousands left. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 to 18 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total 9. Total 9. 6 minus 3 means 4 to 6 you have to count. 4, 5, 6, 3. Now completion step. 3906 must be subtracted from 7895 to get 3989. This must be subtracted, means 3906 must be subtracted from 7895 to get 3989. Now, here there are 4000 students in a school, total students. So 2894 students, them are boys. Total students and boys. These many are boys. Then how many are girls he is asking. So we have to minus from total students. So we have to subtract boys, number of boys. Then you will get number of girls. Number of girls. First write total students. Total students in a school. Total students in a school. How many students are there? 4000 students are there. Number of boys. Number of boys. How many boys are there? 2894. Then we have to find number of girls. Number of girls, how to find number of girls? Minus. 0 is less than minus 4. It's not. So we cannot minus it. Then we take borrow from here to here, here to here, and here to here. And this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. From thousands place we take 1000. So here 4000s are there, 3000s left, 1000. 1000 makes 10 hundreds. Here 10 hundreds we get. From out of this 10 hundreds you take 100. Here 900s left. Here 10 tens make 100. In out of 10 tens you take 110. Here 9 tens left. Here 10 ones you will get. Now 10 minus 4 means 6. 5 to 10 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 6. 9 minus 9. Number minus itself. Number minus itself is 0. 9 minus 8. These are the two consecutive numbers. Difference is 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. These are the consecutive means serial numbers. The difference is 1. 1106. Therefore, number of girls. Number of girls 1106. This many girls are there in a school. Okay.